Hermitage Bay Resort on Antigua in the nation of Antigua and Barbuda is a five-star, stunning SLR hotel, so small luxury hotel that is an award winning, so has two keys from Michelin and also he won the coveted Triple Crown so of Condé Nast Traveler, so Hot List, Gold List, and Reader's Choice award winner. So beautiful place to go. So we're going to do a quick tour of this beautiful resort that's also related to Hilton. So Hermitage Bay, it's on the southwest coast of Antigua, about 45 minutes from the VC Bird International Airport. So all-inclusive resort, and you can see the beautiful woodworking and the main pool. This is a small resort, so SASLH, so small resort. So you're never going to feel too crowded, and there's plenty of space throughout. We were welcomed with a delicious welcome drink while we were there, and then started the tour. They do have a air-conditioned fitness center with the really good equipment and plenty of great restaurants as well. So it's looking at Hermitage Bay out there, just the beautiful dining option here, and incredibly friendly staff that all took a little bit of time to greet us and wave at us. But you can dine on the beach itself or not. There's also the tree bar that they have, so you can come over there and relax just right on the beach as well. And then you have non-motorized activities that are included as well. So they also have a very nice spa. So go in there, you have an outdoor and kind of shower area, treatment rooms for both couples as well as individuals. And it has this kind of Thai kind of look, like you're in Thailand, the decor and everything. So very, very nice area. And the beach area, plenty of chairs, couches, and the like. And as you can see, absolutely stunning water with areas just off the beach that I bet would be great for snorkeling, because you can see the kind of rock, coral kind of area and seagrass, which makes for really, really nice snorkeling to see all kinds of different fish. So it's also in kind of a coved area, so you got plenty of nice calm waters. So this area, they're all small villas and small villa areas, so very, very nice look. You have some that are oceanside and some that are up on this hill. So you can see some that are up there. They will take you. You don't have to necessarily walk up those. There are stairs that will take you. They do recommend, if you have mobility issues, try to get one of the oceanfront versus the ones that are high up. But the ones up there, they can take you by golf cart to get there. So, very well manicured area. So very, very nice. So you can see plenty of those small villas. So you can have your private area uh, within just very short walk to the beach. And I mean, you got plenty of nice lounge chairs on your patio, as well as you can see a couple that are a little bit closer to the beach. So go enjoy. This is on the west coast, so I bet the sunsets are amazing looking out over that bay. So as we're walking along, we're looking at some of the different rooms, and we are going to tour cabin number 15, our Villa 15. So that is a beachfront villa. So you can see that plenty of areas that you can relax on your patio. And this is, as I mentioned, an adults only all-inclusive resort. So you can see, there's not going to be any kids. So touring the rooms themselves. So looking at it, so very nice decor. You got a Bluetooth. It's kind of vintage is the way it kind of looks inside. Like that Bluetooth speaker is actually looks vintage, but is, it definitely is not. The TV will pop out of that area that's right in front of the bed. So you press a button and it will pop up. And the bed has mosquito netting if you want to sleep with the doors open. You can actually put that mosquito netting down. So you can see double sink in the bathroom with very stylish decor in there, and bathtub inside. So you have couches and places to lay inside and out. So, you can pretty much relax anywhere in your villa. And the shower, you have an outdoor shower. So private shower, plenty of privacy that's there. That's where your shower is going to be, is outdoors. And it's kind of a rain shower style shower. So, beautiful resort. If you're with Hilton, you could use points at this particular resort because they're a small luxury hotel. And this one is a little bit further away from St. John's, and a little bit out of the way, but makes it an even more relaxing and enjoyable kind of experience. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to help our channel grow, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next Antiguan adventure.